Where are you, Callie? I can barely hear you.
I'm at Dreamer's Cliffs. Nikesh, can you hear me?
Just about. What you got?
Well, people are taking pictures. I've been here for half an hour and it's not busy, but people take pictures. I asked one of them and they said they post them on Instagram. They like the hashtag Dreamers. I'm on my way back in. I need you to see if any photos from Tuesday have been posted. It might tell us who was in the area.
I'm on it.
Did you watch a City game last night?
No, I was here. Worth it.
You didn't miss much. I thought you might like to know I was at the Phelpses this morning. I'm their family liaison.
How are they?
Oh, sad. Angry. She's got her sister with her. But Pip said something funny, though. Might be of note, might not.
Yeah.
He said his daddy finished his meeting yet. Well, apparently Jamie promised him ice cream after his meeting. And he hasn't seen him since.
So he was planning on coming back? Listen, cheers, Evan. Do you mind not mentioning this to upstairs, though, just yet? We want to see if we can hold on to the case. Dear Miss. Hi there. Please call DC Nikesh Reddy. We would like your assistance in an ongoing investigation.
That new jelly is incredible. You got anything?
Sorry, I better take this. I think it could be useful. Hi, you right there?
She was trash though. Do you remember that skateboard?
Oh.
Oh my days.
Callie, this is Sarah. Turns out she was at school with Denise.
How random is that? Last time we saw each other was at a very messy wedding.
Dear Pritchard, won't you sit down? DC Reddy here tells me you posted several pictures from Dreamer's Cliffs on Tuesday.
That's right, I was walking the dogs. It's gorgeous up there. Light's amazing.
What time were you there?
About lunchtime? Oh, I could tell you exactly actually. I've got this health and fitness tracker app on my phone. It will show when I was walking, climbing the cliffs. Oh, here it is. So I was coming up from the car park at 1 o'clock. It's like 56 flights of stairs.
Did you see any little kids around? A boy on his own, perhaps?
No, I don't think so. It was pretty quiet. Normally is up there. Oh, but you know who I did see? That bloke.
What bloke, Sarah?
Oh, that bloke from that thing. Oh, I can't remember his name. He's... Oh, I got a selfie. Hang on, let me find it. He was funny with my taking it, mind. Made me promise not to post it. Said he valued his privacy. He's so much fitter on telly. Oh, here it is. Have a look.
Sarah, this is really important. Was he coming down from the cliffs or going up?
Up, I think. Oh no, down actually, because he told me not to go too close to the edge, said the cliff was crumbling.
Thank you, that's been really helpful.